Again we visit these ancient tombs, this time to corrupt the souls of the fallen, and to turn the land against the remaining sons of Arnor. Our sorcerers must stand atop the barrows in order to taint the graves beneath. However, time is short. We will need to hold as many barrows as possible to complete the ritual before the new day's sun rises.
Waiting for orders.
I am first of the king's men.
I can bring thralls to command. Who shall I bring to our banner? I can bring thralls to command.
My servants are weak, but I am the light.
Angmar must grow stronger. I have stone and iron to use for Angmar. Get ready to build.
We serve the Iron Throne. Fear the Iron Throne.
I serve the Iron Crown.
Men of Angmar!
We serve the Iron Throne.
Who shall I bring to our banner?
I am first of the king's men.
We bring
silent
my power is dead.
Angmar must grow stronger. Our new building
Build
is
it! Send
destroyed.
word! We need more men!
Don't let the trolls see you slacking. The enemy is attacking our forces.
We serve the shadow. We will take this place.
To live. Battle at last.
Our power is great.
Fear the Iron Throne.
We have this barrow. Begin the ritual.
We rule the forest.
The Iron Crown calls. There are trolls and wolves in our new den. Our wolves can wage await the Witch King's command. Toil for the Iron Crown. We've built a new hall of the King's men. You'll build for the Iron Crown. Build it strong.
Pay attention, scum. Pick it up, you layabouts.
We serve the shadow.
The den is deeper.
No backtalk, worms.
The blood is starting to spill.
Waiting for orders.
The barrow is in our control.
For the Witch King! Attack!
My power is dead.
The enemy's returned! The Witch King's new fortress is complete!
Pay attention, scum.
Built a temple of twilight.
They are attacking our barrows.
Let's have the soul free spell now. I await the Witch King's command. The enemy is attacking our forces.
Great.
You'll build for the Iron Crown. Here's more work for you lazy worms.
Have at it, maggots! You can take this, scum. Maggots.
Fear the Iron Throne.
No backtalk, worms. Ha!
Our Temple of Twilight is grander than ever. Our sorcerers can cast Well of Souls now. The Hall of the King's Men is greater than ever. The Temple of Twilight is ready. The new upgrade is ready.
We shall prevail.
We're done with that one.
Faster, or you'll feel my
Our
club.
forces are under attack.
Quiet, maggots.
Rangers ready. Our arrows whisper. We are ready to strike. The shadow guides us.
One of our barrows is under attack.
The Witch King will rule.
I serve the Iron Crown. My power is death. Strong on their souls. We rule the
Our Temple of Twilight is grander than ever.
Your worthless hides are needed back at the camp.
Angmar must grow stronger. I have stone and iron to use for Angmar.
You dishonored the souls of our fathers once atop these hallowed grounds! I will not suffer your foul presence again!
Quiet, maggots!
The blood is starting to spill.
Pay attention, scum!
Men of Angmar!
My servants are weak, but I am strong.
The darkness waits. We are the chosen.
They are weak and pathetic!
Cleanses. My blade is eternity.
We serve the shadow.
The ritual has begun on a barrow.
I must gather more forces to purge your stench from this
They are
land!
attacking our barrow.
Fear the Iron Crown. We serve the Iron Crown. Keep it moving.
My power is death.
Battle is joy.
I serve the Iron Crown.
We're too low on resources.
We have this barrow. Begin the ritual.
The enemy is attacking our forces.
The Iron Crown calls. The shadows fall.
Send word! We need more men!
Darkness waits.
The enemy's returned.
Men of Angmar, I am first of the King's men. We march. We go to war.
I come to command.
Waiting for orders. March!
Take their heads!
The light fades. The journey is not complete. Power is...
We are hard-pressed! We must have aid!
They're attacking it.
We are hard-pressed! We must have aid!
Raiders into battle! No back talk, worms! We have our orders! Move!
We are the soul of Angmar. Their souls to our bodies. The shadow.
The barrow is in our control.
We will take
Our forces are under attack.
Crown will prevail. Careless to live.
We serve
The ritual has begun on a barrow.
the light fades.
No back talk, worms!
Our power is great.
You'll do as you're told.
The barrow is in our control.
Battle is joy!
Waiting for orders.
I serve the Iron Crown.
We are one with the blade. Men of Angmar, move.
Fear the Iron Crown.
Enemy troops are near.
Waiting for orders.
The enemy
We're
is
on the
attacking
move.
our fortress. The enemy's returned.
Strong.
The light wins.
One of our barrows is under attack.
Their souls to our bodies.
The ritual has begun on a barrow.
With the Witch King's voice.
They're bombarding us.
Darkness waits.
We serve the
I am
Iron
the Fist of Angmar.
They are attacking our barrow.
We serve the shadow. Battle is joy.
Fear the Iron Crown. Keep in line.
You're built for the Iron Crown. I bring darkness to the twilight. I serve the Iron Crown. Our journey is not complete.
I can bring Thrall to command. I will lead our Wolf Riders into that victory. No backtalk, worms.
The barrow is in our control.
I am first of the king's men.
Our power is great.
Waiting for orders.
Men of Angmar,
We have this barrow. Begin the ritual.
No backtalk, worms.
The barrow is in our control.
the darkness waits.
Quiet, maggots. Wait for it. No standing around.
The enemy.
Pick it up, you layabouts. No standing around.
I serve the Iron Crown. We must fight them off again.
One of our barrows is under attack.
The Iron Crown.
We are ready to strike.
The light fades. Battle is joy.
I am first of the king's men.
We are the soul of Angmar. We shall grow strong by our souls to the twilight.
I, Carthian, stand for the 7 stars.
Fear the Iron Crown.
Men of Angmar! To me, Dunedain!
One of our barrows is under attack!
My blade cuts deep.
The enemy's return!
Blood without end.
Our power is great. My power is dead.
Waiting for orders. Advance! For Angmar!
We have this barrow! Begin the ritual!
The blood is starting to
The
spill!
Iron Crown.
You'll do as the ritual has begun on a barrow!
Fear the Iron Crown.
I come to command.
Only the strong for the Witch King. Battle cleanses.
I speak with the Witch King's voice.
They are attacking our barrow!
The Iron Crown
I will return!
This fight continues without
Bring darkness to the twilight. That's a lot of walking. The light fades.
We must fight them off again!
Our
The
journey
Iron
is
Crown
not
calls.
We serve
It's begun!
foes to our bodies.
I am near the end. I move to better ground.
I can bring thralls to
The
command.
darkness waits.
Their forces come again!
But I am strong.
Who shall
Battle
I
is
bring from?
joy.
I will lead our wolf riders into battle. I
We have this barrow! Begin the ritual!
We have our orders. Move!
I bring darkness to the twilight. That's a lot of walking.
You'll do as you're told.
One of our barrows is under attack!
We bring silent death.
The blood is starting to spill!
Pay attention, scum. No backtalk, worms. Pay attention, scum.
The barrow is in our control!
Men of Angmar!
We serve the Iron Crown. Keep ranks.
My power.
The ritual has begun on a barrow!
Whisper. I bring darkness to the twilight. That's a lot of walking. Our power is great.
You'll do as you're told. Faster, or you'll feel my club.
Begone, filth! I will not let you taint the spirits of our kings!
The Iron Crown calls.
The captain of Arnor has proved a worthy and persistent adversary. Forget the moldering spirits of Arnor's pathetic kings. Let us reward Captain Carthian by completing the ritual with his soul instead.
do not fear you. You can only kill me.
I suffer forever.
How perfect is this man's punishment? His dedication in life will be matched only by his devotion after death. Let his tortured soul hunt the leaders of our enemies.
We have served the Dark Lord well this day.
Though he fought with a valor rarely seen among men, the young Arnorian captain paid a price beyond death, and now serves the Iron Crown. Angmar's great plague stretched far and wide, striking at the heart of Arnor, and weakening the already fragile Dunedain defenses. But the Witch King will not be satisfied until Arnor lay buried in the bodies and blood of its youth.